Hello and welcome. How are you doing? Today's lesson is my favorite restaurant. You can say restaurant or restaurant. Both are correct. Okay. So the aim of the lesson is to learn sentences to talk about a favorite restaurant. So any restaurant that is close to your house or a place that is famous in your city. Okay. The first sentence could be, my favorite restaurant is near my house. Okay, don't forget this one. Voice going down. It's a Japanese restaurant. Okay. And this is short one. Connection, connected together. It's a Japanese restaurant. It's good for families. So it's good for families because maybe it has more space and maybe safer for kids as well. So that way it is good for families. Okay. And then you can say the food is tasty. So the taste is good. The food is nice. So that's why you like it. The service is good. So service is like how the food is cooked. Do they take time to cook it? Do they bring it on time? Do you have to wait a lot? Okay. Are the people nice when they talk to you? So if everything is nice, all the people are good, then you can say service is good. And I think when we go to a restaurant, we want to feel that everything is nice. Okay, people are good, food is hot, we don't wait for a long time. Okay. All right, you can also say also Japanese is my favorite food. So you go to the restaurant because you like Japanese food. Okay. I love this restaurant. Okay, let's see what we have got now. When people talk to you, they might ask you, what's your favorite restaurant? Again, down. You can say my favorite restaurant is near my house. It's a Japanese restaurant. It's good for families. The food is tasty. The service is good. Also, Japanese is my favorite food. I love this restaurant. And you? Again, this question is so important. So just remember this question. If you are talking to people and you want to ask the same question, you say, and you? Let me read it again without stopping. What's your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is near my house. It's a Japanese restaurant. It's good for families. The food is tasty. The service is good. Also, Japanese is my favorite food. I love this restaurant. And you? Okay, that's it for today. Keep practicing more English. I'm going to come back with another lesson. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.